Hey, governor! What's going on, everybody? So welcome back to another video. We're going to be working on a hatch today, and we're actually going to be doing something really simple. Ceramic headlight restoration kit by Cerakote. This is basically it. Yeah, so we're going to be hitting those headlights right there, and we're going to see the big before and after difference. So not really a how-to, but I'm going to show my results. It brings the direction. It's pretty straightforward. Just if you know how to read, then you're good to go. So let's get to work. It's pretty nasty. What the heck?
Huh?
You gotta be kidding me.
What?
Bruh, are you serious?
It broke?
Yeah. Oh my lord. Why can't anything ever work for me? Dang, now I gotta do this by hand? Oh my god. This is gonna suck. Alright, so there you have it, guys. I did one side, which looks incredible. It looks amazing, and then you could see the other side. You see the big difference. So, is the Cerakote headlight restoration worth it? Absolutely. 2 thumbs up. It's a pretty astounding difference. It brings back the whole nice shininess of everything. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock out the other side, and yeah. Alright guys, so there you have it. Both headlights are done. I think they look phenomenal. The Cerakote only costs like 20 bucks, so I think it's definitely worth it. So yeah, I'll keep doing small things here and there. Any suggestions, I highly appreciate that. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoy your day or whatever. Your month, your day.
Peace.
Peace. Peace, love, and positivity to you.